finally have made it to the event. It's about 6:30. It's about 6:30 the night. This is Streetcar Takeover Friday night. They're doing roll racing test routine right now, and it looks like Brandy's about to be up next. So she's gonna run this this fella we've been talking to with the Subaru, and he's never done this before either. And just so you guys know, this is Brandy's first time ever racing on her track. So she's, you know, butterflies. This ought to be funny.
Look up there, all the big airplanes flying on top of Bradenton Motorsports Park, or right behind it. Pretty awesome.
Here we go, fellas and ladies.
The Subaru is not the guy from the movie. Right?
Here she goes. Shift into third or something. I'm gonna have to find out what she did. She might have accidentally put it in second. That's not a bad first run, 93 miles an hour. So we'll see what's going on and get some more footage. Hey, did it like it sounded like it didn't want to shift into third or something?
My foot slipped.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
I knew something.
I can go way faster than the 93. My foot slipped.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what happened.
My truck's fine.
Hey, I told you it was fun.
Holy shit, I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Just in here probably got like a whole mouthful. I was like, holy shit, oh my god, oh my god.
So nobody said anything about a helmet?
No! My first ticket, look.
I love you. Is she just cute?
93 and 7. And what does 101 mean? What does that mean?
Oh, that's his lane. You were this one.
I can go faster than him.
93. Yeah, you beat him.
My foot freaking slipped.
Yeah, that's all right. So anyway, go ahead and get back in line.
I can go back again?
Yeah.
Oh, here, hold this. I'll be ready.
Oh, keep it. Put it in the center console. That's what you do with time slips. You stuff them in the center.
I gotta do this.
Don't forget to start that camera when you get ready. Love you.
Love you.
This is awesome. I actually like the view from back here.
Sound of the worst exhaust on a Mustang. Whoops, can I say that?
Oh my god, it was like freaking awesome. Oh my god. That's not gonna go bad. I just totally raced like a really, really fast freaking car. I don't even care. It went like 114. I want to see how fast I went. I don't even care. Oh my god, I had it to the floor. I don't even know how fast I was going. Oh my god. Woo, that was so much fun. I want to do it again. You say adrenaline rush. Oh my god. out-of-body experience. Oh my God, this is amazing. Everybody's spinning. Everybody's having spinning problems. Yeah. Let's go.
So tell me what was going through your mind on the first run. Was it as bad as you thought it was?
Now I'm just going, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
You've been terrified all day.
Wait till you see the other GoPro footage.
Oh, I'm going to put it in there. Whatever it is.
Yeah, I was like, he's going to have to bleep this stuff out. Oh my God, I can't even believe you like see me. People see me?
You didn't have a helmet on.
Nobody hardly did.
I know. But they can see your head.
Noise.
But anyway, yeah, so did you have a good time?
I did, I had a great time.
You ready to run again when they open?
Maybe.
I think she's ready.
I might go one more time.
Yeah, I'm sure you will.
Maybe.
Yeah. This is about the 5th time we've done this. Just watch the numbers go up for a minute. It's kind of like...
Remember to install smoke detectors on every level of your home and outside the bedrooms. Test your smoke detectors monthly. If they are battery operated, replace the battery.
All right, guys, we made it back home. Actually, a couple days ago. I've actually had to go to work since we got back. So I wanted to film a little outro, and I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I had a blast editing this video. I mean, it was awesome. You know, my wife's always watched me drag race and stuff, and she has a good time when we go, but this is the first time that she's actually run down the track, and it's pretty awesome, you know, when you can have something, you know, a hobby in common with your significant other. So, you know, this is very exciting to me. But anyway, I wanted to mention a couple things about the video. One thing, I have the truck set up to run for my dig, and so you'll notice if you go back and watch the footage, when she goes to roll out, they're doing 40 rolls, and so when she rolls out in the second, you know, at 40 miles an hour, and that truck's got a 373 gear in it, so it's you know, it's not higher in the RPMs at all, but it's holding second gear. You'll notice in the footage when she rolls up, it shifts into second, and she's moving just fast enough that when she gets into it, it's not shifting back up into first. And I could have changed that, but when we went on the trip, I made the mistake of grabbing the wrong charger for my laptop. The charger, like my laptop's a Dell, the charger is an HP charger. It's the one that I use in the living room. And what I have never realized since I've been using that charger is that it doesn't charge the battery. And so it'll run the laptop. Like I use the laptop on the trip a good bit, but I had no battery. We were data logging it while we were driving to Florida, ran the battery low, went to plug it in, and even though the laptop would run, it would never charge the battery. So that was a significant hindrance on a lot of things on our trip. So at the track, I couldn't make any changes to the truck without plugging it into an outlet. And, you know, I just couldn't find anything that was, you know, easy enough to get to make that happen. So, and again, it wasn't even that big of a deal. The main thing that I wanted to do is just let her run down the track. So we definitely accomplished that, and she had a blast. So even though the truck will run close to 115 miles an hour from a standstill, from a roll, it was, you know, she barely hit 100 on the second run. And you know, so that it sounds funny, it seems funny, you know, when you think, well, I'm already rolling, I should be able to go faster, but it's really not the case. It's just kind of funny. But anyway, so the last run, a guy came up to the truck and was telling Brandy that a lot of people are having trouble, you know, slipping and getting loose and stuff, and he got in her head a little bit and made her scared. So you'll notice at the end she said that she didn't get on it, and you know, so that's understandable. Even though I explained to her later that her truck being an SUV, you know, and having the slicks and everything on there, she didn't have anything to worry about, especially at her power level. But you know, she was just a little bit nervous, so I can understand that. And so that was the last run of the night for her. But I can assure you that there will be more footage in the future of Miss Brandy running down the track. So you guys look forward to that. I'm looking forward to it. I would almost rather see her race and me not race, because it gives me time to work on stuff. You know, when you're racing, building and tuning and everything, it's really hard to pull all that stuff together. So if you got somebody else that's racing and you're just working on the truck, it is a lot easier. So, you know, that may be some more of what we do later on. Even if I get the Trailblazer up and going here soon, I might just go ahead and really teach her how to drag race and maybe let her run it. For one thing, she weighs a lot less than I do. You know what I'm saying? So the truck will be a little bit faster with her in it, and it'll give me a lot easier time data logging and working on the tune and, you know, keeping up with everything. So now I'm not saying I won't race anymore. I'm sure I will. I enjoy it. You know, there's nothing like the rush of running down the quarter-mile track. Not for me. So I'm not saying I don't want to run anymore. But if you know, if she's down, you guys are gonna see some footage of her racing. Trust me. But anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed the footage, and we'll see you next time.